Gowns. Everything is going to be happening tonight right here at Miss World Zimbabwe 2018. I'll tell you another interesting thing. The lady who wins here is going to be contesting at Miss World in December in China.
Of course, that's what will be happening. She'll be going all the way to China to compete for Zimbabwe, to raise the country's flag quite high there. But I will tell you also that there's lots of exciting prizes to be won. We've got some beautiful ladies.
We have to stop you, ladies.
Yeah,
we really want to be speaking to people tonight. So sorry, but thank you. Sorry, not sorry is what they say, don't they?
Of course.
How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
Great. Thank you. Please tell us your name.
My name is Pelagia Mapie.
All right. Thank you so much, Pelagia. You look absolutely stunning tonight. But what are you expecting tonight?
I'm expecting fireworks. Yes, I'm going to enjoy myself, seeing the beautiful ladies, looking stunning and elegant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just between us two, though, is there anyone special that you're, eyeing from the girls?
Not sure yet.
All right, not so between us two. We were live on camera. But anyway, thank you so much. And we hope you have a pleasant evening.
Thank you so much.
All right, more guests are going to be arriving, and we're going to be asking them what they can be expecting on this lovely, lovely occasion. Everything is happening right here live at the Miss World Zimbabwe 2018. Now, I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure you are too. If you're not, well, you can taste it and you can feel it right here on the red carpet. People are coming dressed to the nines. A very auspicious occasion indeed. And we are going to be sharing all of that with you. As the guests arrive, we're going to be talking to them as well. So it's going to be quite an amazing time. More guests are coming through. Let's see.
Red carpet here. I've got a gentleman here, sir. Please step aside. Step aside. I want to talk to you for a little while. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Let's move forward a little bit so we are on shot. There we go. Your name and the organization that you represent here tonight?
It's Farai Jere. I'm from Caps United. Yes.
Farai, what brings you here tonight? What are you expecting before I even go to your outfit?
The reason why we are here is we want to promote supporting the girl child. This is a Zimbabwe. So we have to also supporting the girl child. You know, I mean football. Caps United. But now this is the time. This is the opportunity for us to also supporting the girl child.
And your outfit, what inspired it today, man? If you can turn around a little just so we see everything, man. That's Farai Jere there, the president of Caps United. Yes, Farai, just tell us a little bit about the outfit. What inspired you to put on this night?
It's a black suit. It's a black tie.
Thank you so much, Farai. Enjoy the evening, yeah? We're going to be wrapping it up here on the red carpet. Thank you so much for joining us. We will be giving you the show live in a bit.
Dark, and when the sun don't shine, friends come and go, and then there is no home. When you left outside, the night is too cold to unfolds you left alone. We gonna sing.